Dear students, today topic is about internal energy. But it's quite incomplete if we don't talk about the heat here. So let's define the heat part now. Heat is the form of energy, we all know that. And that is transferred between two substances at different temperatures. Assume that you have any frying pan, okay, and that frying pan is totally heated. You cooked something. After that, you are touching that frying pan. What will you feel? You feel lot of amount of heat there, and suddenly you touch and you leave that frying pan. Okay, your action is like this. Okay, what I am trying to say is that heat energy was trying to transfer from the frying pan into your body. Okay, so heat energy is the form of energy, actually heat is the form of energy which is transferred between two substances at different temperatures. Second point about the heat is its direction. Okay, so the direction of energy, okay, flow is from the substance of high temperature. What I said is, when you touch the frying pan, then temperature, I mean heat, it transfers from pan to your body. So same thing what I am saying here is heat will transfer from the high temperature body to the low temperature body. Okay. Next thing about the heat is, if we supply heat to the system, there are two possibilities. Once we supply the heat, okay, possibility 1, possibility 2, that system will supply heat to us. I mean system will release the energy. And possibility 1 was system will absorb the energy. So when system will absorb the energy, we denote it with the positive sign. Okay, and when system will release the energy, then we denote that energy with the negative sign. It's better to denote the heat part with symbol Q. Okay, let's see the second part of this, like internal energy. Okay, what is internal energy? Actually, the sum total of all the energies possessed by the system is internal energy. Okay, if I talk about any body which is moving or static, okay, so what we say is, if you talk about the what is the energy of this pen, okay, then it's like incomplete question, because which kind of energy you are talking about? Are you talking about its kinetic energy, its potential energy, its total energy? Which kind of energy, okay, is a question. So that's why the topic defined, that is internal energy, sum of all the type of energy is internal energy. Next point about internal energy is, it is denoted by U and it is a state function. Already you are very much familiar with the state function. Okay, and the next point about this internal energy is, it is an extensive property, and now you can, I mean, you know, we can change the internal energy of the system by two ways, either by heating or by work done. Okay, so in this way we have completed the internal energy part. I hope you understood the lecture. Thank you for watching.